Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. I like to use a 5-step decorative process when I decorate my planner, and it starts with choosing a theme, and we will be using this whole collection of goodies from RONGRONG, including the Heels and Hustle collection, the Boss Babe sticky notes, the Holiday Cheer planner sticker pack, the Holiday sticker book, and RONGRONG Girls sticker book, as well as these adorable washi tapes. So I want to open those up first, and then step number 2 is to put down washi tape. And I like to use a 5-step decorative process because it makes staring at that blank page easy. I know my next step after I decided which stickers I'm using is to choose some washi tape and put that down first. So that's what we will be doing. I'm going to use both of these because I want to. So I'll just take some washi and decorate with that first. Let's start off with some washi up here, kind of like a header for our weekend. We'll probably layer some stickers on that. And then also I had written something on this week, but I'm not going to do it over there on my to-do list. I'm going to do something different. So I'm going to cover up where I put the white correction tape. Hold on, let me finish this one thing at a time. Washi tape there, and then I also want to put some over here just to cover up that part like that. And then I want to use this one too, just because I want to, because it's so cute. How about across the week like that? I just like to use the washi in different ways as decoration, so I put it in different places every time, and then I like to layer stickers over it. All right, next up is box stickers, and I think what I'm going for is I like this black and gold theme from this book, and there are definitely some stickers I want to use from there, but I want to kind of mix it in with the holiday stickers. So like this is a black box sticker that has colors in it. So is this one. This is more of a New Year's though, but I like that. Joy to the World, and it's like black and colors and gold, like this one is too. So it's like a black and gold holiday theme. Leave a comment and tell me, what are your big plans for this December? So I'm going to start off with this Joy to the World. I'm going to put it over here with the florals for the weekend, like that. Kind of overlapped a little bit. And then if I need to add a blank box sticker to write things in there, I can do that. All right, let's look for another box sticker because I like to do box stickers. Oh, I liked this one. So she's wearing gold. It says Deck the Halls, so that's kind of holiday. Let's put that one on this page. And then I like to put my boxes like kind of randomly sometimes. I'm just gonna start right here. And that also gives me now like 2 boxes here to write in and a box down here to write in. So it kind of breaks up your spaces where you can decorate and have space to write in what's going on. All right, in the RONGRONG Girls sticker book, here is another, like she's wearing a gold dress, but it's a colorful box. I'm gonna grab that one to place on this day. So I'll have one of those kind of stickers. I mean, on this day. I like to put, so I got a black sticker here. I'll probably try to find another black background sticker to go there. I have a colorful sticker there, so I want to put a colorful sticker on this page. And I just kind of like to keep the 2 pages balanced like that. So I'll probably put this one here or over here. I think I'm going to put it kind of the same way I did that one, but on this page, like that. Okay, what I decided is I want to use these box stickers, I think the black ones, these that have, where are they? I think they're past this. These. That way they have like a black outline. And let's see, do I want the girl? I think I just want the plain ones because I'm going to decorate them with some of the holiday stickers. So let's just grab 2 more boxes so that I can put one on each page. Let's see. I like overlapping, so I think I'm going to put this one here. So it kind of overlaps that sticker and this sticker, and kind of same thing on this page, like that. All right, I think that's it for box stickers because I have so many adorable decorative stickers. I want to have plenty of space for those and plenty of writing space as well. All right, next I like to use checklists and bullet points. So I'm going to go over to this functional, I guess this is functional and decorative sticker book, but I really like these little checklists right here that have 2 little hearts. I want to put one on each page. See how perfect that is for that little box? And let's put one over here, like at the top on this page. Then, so there's 2 little checklists. There are some bullet points in here too. Let's grab some of those. Do we want the black or the gold? Black or gold? I think I want gold because I have black already. So let's do some of these gold stars. And then you can put them in between 2 days so that you can use them for both days. So let's put these here like that. And then we'll use 2 more and we'll put those, let's see, maybe down here, like that. Next up, let's do our fun decorative stickers, and then I need to add in a few functional stickers at the end. So let's go on to our super cute holiday decorative stickers. Okay, here's one sticker that I saw that matches our theme, and she's so cute. It says holiday cheers. Let's put her like right over here in this column where we have space, and we'll just overlap some of these other stickers. I love that. Okay, I think I want this one that has all the jingle ladies in it. It's actually, is it 2 stickers or is it 1? It's 1 sticker. How cool is that? Okay, let's move that over because I like that gold and I like all the multicolors. I like it has all the girls. I think I'm going to put them down here so that I can still write on those 2 boxes. I like them in the corner. Let's put them right here. Wait, let's do the girls first and then that word, the words. I like this little gold, eat, drink, be merry. That kind of goes with our theme. Let's put that somewhere like right here. I like this gold shopping list sticker because there are a few things I need to get, probably shopping online, but I do need to order them. Maybe I'll put it like, it could go here. Actually, that looks good. Maybe I'll cover up these little pink, what are those called? Bullet points, and put this instead because this matches better with our theme. All right, I gotta pay bills on December 1st. So let's grab a pay bills sticker and make sure that's somewhere on the 1st. It doesn't have to be there, just maybe here. Okay, I want to layer a couple of these gold boxes on the black boxes like that. And then add a 3rd sticker, like a little holiday decorative sticker with it. I think it'll look really cute. This little ornament, you could put it like right here so that we can still write in that box, but that it's also decorative, like that. There's another one that matches that can go on this page. All right, I haven't decorated this bottom very much, so I want to put something cute down here, either in this corner or along here. Maybe we'll put some treats like these. Maybe they should go just in the middle at the bottom, like a gingerbread and a little mug, just to decorate. It's Christmas time, we can decorate. All right, I'm going to add in a sticky note. I think I'm going to add in this to-do sticky note. So as things come up that I need to do this week, I'll have a place to put them. I think I'm going to layer it right here and just leave it there. And then once I sit down to plan, like actually write in my plans for this week, I'll have that ready to go. As always, check out the description box for links to all of the products used in this video, as well as a free planning checklist and additional classes you can take if you want to learn more about planning. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!